Okay, so to continue what we were looking at on our first video, I'm going to show you what it means when I fill up my ones column, then I'm regrouping over into my tens column. So each box represents 1 in my ones column, but each box in my tens column represents a 10. Okay, so whenever I fill up my tens, I regroup over into my hundreds. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say I'm going to plus 5 ones onto my game board. So I'm going to plus my 5 ones. Can I regroup anything on the board to make one group of 10? I can't because I only have 5 ones. If I plus 7 ones, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, what am I going to do? 6, 7. Well, what happened? Because those 2 do not fit on my game board. So this is where I ask myself, can I regroup to make a group of 10? Yes, I can regroup 10 ones as 1 10. So if I take 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those 10 ones are going to equal 110. Now I have room for the 2 that wouldn't fit before. Now how many do I have? I started with 5 and I plussed 7 ones. I had to regroup 10 ones into my tens place. So I have 110 plus 2 ones. How many do I have? I have 110 plus 2 ones. So I have 12. So anytime I fill my place value with 10 ones, I can take those 10 ones and regroup them into 110. Now, if I plus 10 tens, I can take those 10 tens and regroup them into 1 100. So anytime that I can regroup, I move over to the left to the next biggest place value. Okay, so let's try another one. I'm going to say plus 3. Do I have enough to regroup them into one group of 10? I don't have enough. I only have 3. Okay, so I already have 3. I'm going to plus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I have 2, 8, 9 that don't fit in my ones column. So now, since I filled my ones column, I can regroup those 10 ones into 110. And now I have room for my remaining 2 ones. And I now have 12. So anytime we are able to have a group of 10 in our ones place value, we can group them together and move them over to the tens place. If I have 10 tens, I would regroup them, group them together, and I have 100. So 10 ones is the same as 1 10. 10 tens is the same as 1 100.